it's not dramatic. It's giving, okay? It's giving what it's supposed to give.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and the shooting stars so vibrant. You have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to.
Hey guys, hello. Hope you guys are doing great. So today, guys, I am revealing these contact lenses. You guys know I love my contact. It's been long I review contact lenses. So when I got these ones, I was like, I can't wait. I can't wait, guys. By the way, look at her eyes slate. Hey, yeah, I'm looking. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. If I go back like this, dark. If I come forward to be, my baby is here. You guys just heard his voice. He's here with me. He's the one that just made So guys, these contact lenses, they are from, I'm coming. They are from COCOSUSIE. COCOSUSIE, okay? Hey, you guys know why I like contact lenses. It takes you from 0 to 100. I always say that. If it's not your first time here, you already know that's 0 to 100, okay? If I pop my contact lens now on this makeup, you will feel me. Let me know, just let me stop talking, okay? The discount code, I'm going to link it on the description box so you get some percentage from your purchase. And I have 4 styles to style with you guys. 4. I'm going to wear the 4. You guys are going to see how I'm going to transform. So guys, this is the case. So after using it, this is the case you use in storing your contact lenses, okay? So inside there is an applicator that came with it. So with the applicator, it's very, very easy. It's more easier to apply. You can apply it with the tips of your finger, but I prefer the applicator because of germs, and if, for example, if your hand is dirty, I don't like that. It can cause anything in your eyes. So I prefer the applicator. So I love it that it came with an applicator and a case. So each one has a case, okay? Each style came with a case. So if you order, I'm sure they are going to add the case also to your contact lenses. I really love contact lenses because it takes you from 0 to 100, okay? This is it, and this is the egg you use in bringing it out from the solution, okay? And this is the applicator. This is how it looks. That is it. We're going to make use of the applicator, okay, to apply it. Normally you just need a mirror closer to you. They did not include mirror. I would have loved that they include mirror to it, but no mirror. So we're going to make use of what we have. I have a mirror here, so I'm going to use my mirror to apply it. So when you want to open it, it's easy. It's indicate, you see here, see this side is tight. This side is, you see these 2 dots here. You can see there are 2 dots. Just lift this up. You see, like that, okay? And you drag back. You just drag it backward. It's very easy. Then you open it. So there is solution inside. You can see there's solution inside. So this is it. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Okay. So the first one I will apply is I'm going to apply this K4 brown. The K4 brown, that's the first one I will apply, and I will pick it from the solution. So I'm just going to show you guys the example, then I will apply the rest ones off camera. So you just use your peg. I call this peg, I don't know. Okay, you bring it from the solution. You see, it was inside the solution. You just bring this out. Then you put it here. You guys can see, you just drop it here. Simple. Okay. You just take your mirror closer, then you're going to look downward like, oh, my hair. Okay. So you take your mirror closer and you're going to look like this. You see, that is it. I bought that because the mirror is a little bit low. I really love this color. Wow. So this is it. And this is my eye. You can see my natural eye. So this is it. You can see this side is my natural eye and this is the contact. Okay. You bring it. Let's see. Yeah. I love it. Okay, let me add the other one. At first, it's as if I wasn't seeing, but later I'm sure it's because of the solution. I did not remove this, so make sure you remove the solution before applying it. I'm sure it's because of the solution, but later I can see better. Okay, I can see better. Yeah, so this is the two on. I love it. I like it because it's not inching. Okay, you know, some contact lenses can inch you, some contact lenses can inch you, but this one for now is not inching me, so which is a plus. Okay, is a plus. So this one is K8 brown. You see, it's different from the other one and it's still lovely. Okay. One thing I like with these contact lenses, they're easy to apply. It magnets immediately. You apply it. You don't struggle with it. Not some you just put it, fall off. You put it, you fall off. You struggle with them. But this one is different. I love that. I love that. You guys saw it. You just put it. It will magnet. Hey, I love this. And this is it. It's lovely. I really love it. I love this one too. It's not different from the other one in terms of the vision. It's the same thing and it's not inching as well. So I really love this one too. Yeah. It's lovely. You see, it's close range. From far. When I stand up, okay, for example. The K width, this K width, I love the way it's really on me. The charm, you guys understand? The way it transforms my eye. Not dramatic, it's just the way it's giving. Okay, it's giving what it's supposed to give. That is what I like about it. It's just giving me that beauty. Wow. I have removed one. See, and it's easy to remove it as well. Let me remove this one for you guys to see. Just put here. Easy. It's easy to remove, easy to apply. Isn't that great? Oh, I love it. I love it. So guys, this one is K8. Is it gray? Yes, K8 gray. I think so. Let me check. Okay, it's K8 gray. This one is K8 gray. Okay, look at it. It has this black whatever around it. You guys can see. Let me open it for you guys to see. And the inside, you will think there is blue inside. No, but it's gray. And this is lovely as well. Woo! For Valentine. For Valentine. Wow. I really love this one. I love it. I love the charm. I love everything about it. The vision, the brightness. Everything in short, everything is given. This one is given. It's given. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Let's say it is given. So in case you're interested, all links to each of the contact lenses will be on the description. So check it out. And if you don't like any of this, just visit their website. They have thousands, millions there. You're going to see different styles. In case if you don't love these ones, but me, I love them. I love them. I really love them. Look at this one. I love this one too. Yeah. I love it. Oh, I love it. All right. So the last one, that is what I'm going to wear. Let me wear the last one and share with you guys. Okay. Okay. Let's go. So guys, this is the last one. K for blue. Okay. Oh, I love it. I love it. I've been wanting to have these blue eyes when I see them. Ooh. Yeah, with contact lenses. Hey, I was able to do this. So just look at it. Guys, that is it for this contact lens review. I hope you guys love it in as much as I love them. So if you're interested, like I said, the link will be on the description. All the styles, I'm going to link them on the description, and the link to their website also will be on the description. So check it out in case if you are interested. And if you don't like these ones, like I said, they have millions of them on their website. So just check their website. You're going to see they have a lot. When I mean a lot, they have a lot on their website. So just head to their website and you will see them. I will see you guys in my next one. Okay, today remain gorgeous. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you like it here, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that. I love you. Ciao.